The WeDispatch Driver app is coming out this week and replacing the Spatula Go driver app. I'm looking at the driver app here right now, and as you can see, we've got the job list down the bottom and a new map at the top that shows all of the locations of all of the tasks plus the driver's current locations. We've got the menu here on the side, and a new feature here is this available toggle. So drivers will need to toggle themselves available as well as logging in, and then at the end of the day log out or make themselves unavailable again. The offers screen is pretty much unchanged. We'll accept a job here so you can see extra ones. Then once we go to start a job, you just tap on the card. You'll just be able to tap on an address to navigate as per normal. Tap on the card again to show all of the details for the job. Tap to shrink. And then the actual progression through a job is done through these sliders, which are a little bit more intuitive than swiping an address as it was before. The only thing you need to be aware of is that without the I'm on my way button, you now need to configure in the dashboard how you want the SMS to be sent or when you want it to be sent. So if we go to campaigns, which is where you define your customer engagement strategies, click edit on this campaign, you'll see that under SMS template, this send when explains exactly, this determines when it's going to get sent. So the driver will just work their way through a task and you will determine exactly when a message is going to get sent or if it's going to get sent.